Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple jig using just a sheet of plywood to help you cope baseboard using just a trim router with a flush trim bit. I went and I coped this baseboard here with just one pass on the router. Didn't have to clean it up at all with a file or anything. So much simpler, so much easier, and a better finish than when I would miter the joint, cut it with a coping saw, and then finish with a file. So stay tuned for this really easy hack.
The first step is to cut a profile of the baseboard. We'll use this as a pattern as we make our jig. Next, we'll trace this profile onto a board. This is basically simulating a cope cut. Now let's go to the bandsaw and cut it out. Looks like a good fit. The flush trim router bit will now repeat this cut when we cope the board. Let's try it. Now we clamp the baseboard to the jig we made. The guide bearing will follow the profile of the jig. Make sure your guide bearing is at the right height so it rides along the jig.
Looks pretty good. It's a pretty good cope. I don't think I'd get any closer than that with a saw and a file. So I think this is a good hack. I hope you found this hack as helpful as I did. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks.